Hey guys, what is up today? We are going to do a tutorial video on the new Avid Media Composer First. Yes, I have talked about this in my previous video about the reviewing of Avid Media Composer First and how I actually installed it. I got it installed on my computer and we're going to show you the new features within this free version of Avid Media Composer First. That will be in the links in the description. So all you have to do is click on that link if you are interested into video editing. So yes, when you are on a computer, you have to log in with your Avid account, and you have to make sure Media Composer First is up here under the Avid Application Manager, which it will assumedly pop up when you get that one little message when you open the Media Composer. Do not click on the licensing key or the activation key or the trial button. Just click on this. There will be a third box that says Media Composer First. You just have to push that circle. You hit OK, and then there will be another box that says you need to log in with your Avid Media Composer account. So it'll take you to this one of Avid Application Manager. So I already logged in. I went down here and I hit open. Ooh, I need to update about this first. Okay, anyway, you hit the open that says install 2018.8. So yes, I hit open, and this pops up on my screen over here, which is hold on guys, I gotta click on this. I'm gonna record video on this side, please. Hold on. I hope it doesn't have my webcam show. Of course it does. Okay. Hold on, guys. You have to hit the accept button. If you want the full version, if you want to up, you have to pay $20 a month. This is a free version. I'm just saying you don't have to. You can hit create. That's what we're doing. We're creating a project, and I'm going to show you the difference within the Media Composer in here. So here it is. Here it is. I don't know why this is set up like this. Oh, drag clips to site editing. I will after it beats. Okay then. Okay. Okay. This is Avid for you. Why I did not put this on my MacBook Pro for a reason, because for one, my MacBook is a very slow computer, so this is why I did not put this on my MacBook Pro. I'm lucky I can actually run Adobe Premiere Pro on my MacBook, and After Effects at the same time, and Photoshop at the same time. So this is going to take a while to actually load up on the screen. Loading color correction presets. How long does it take to load color correction presets? Come on! How long does it take to load a color correction presets? It takes me about like a second in Premiere to load color correction presets. Yes, I am going to compare this to Adobe Premiere Pro. As you know, I have used Adobe Premiere. I've used most of all the updates on Premiere. I have used CS5. I have used CS4. I have used a little bit of CS3, kinda. It's very old-fashioned, so I'm just letting you know. It's a little bit like Avid. CS3 is basically a little bit like the old version of Avid, but this is a new version of Avid. So I'm gonna see what this is about. I have done Final Cut Pro, more than enough as it is. Avid is basically Avid. Avid is Avid. Make do with here. Where's that clip at? Ah, there it is. I'm just going to create the second clip that I have from a tutorial video I'm just gonna drop this clip in, just to use to test the features out of Avid Media Composer First. As you know, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use it for I'm gonna just test it out with this tutorial video that I actually did recently. That's all I'm gonna do it for. It's an MP4 file, so it should not take long to import a file into Avid. You know, audio from QT for screencast MP4. It's an MP4 file, not a QuickTime file. It's MP4. H.264 here on here, so I'm just letting you guys know on this camera. And yes, this is what it is. Yeah. I'm probably going to use some of this footage that I have from here to here. So I'm going to use Avid for this video. Part of it. Yes. So that is pretty much, I am hoping this is actually going to create. How long does it import? Oh, this is going to take forever to import. Oh, this just grinds me. This just really pisses me off. Oh, how wonderful to do things. It's more as a beginner site. It's very a slow software compared to Premiere. I can literally edit a quick video in Premiere and I am done editing. Basically, it does not take me that time to edit. It depends on the video that you're editing. That's what I think. Like, this should not take forever in a day to import one simple file of video. Like I said before, importing a simple file in Premiere it takes me like when you snap your finger. Like when you snap your finger, you hear that? When you snap that finger, it takes literally split of import time. And this is like wasting my footage basically. I'm gonna just edit some of this part out because I'm like, okay. So on here, that is what Avid is basically. That's what the screen will look like. If you are an Avid user and if you love video editing and you have never used Avid before, get Media Composer First. It is a free download. It's free. You don't have to pay monthly. You don't have to pay yearly. You don't have to pay nothing. You just have to hit that little download button and have an Avid account, and that's it. Voila! Magicians! Magic! It's like magic. Yes, it is like magic. I'm just saying it is like magic. I'm just saying on that one. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on this one, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Sammy's Live, and I will have the link in the description on this whole Avid Media Composer First. So yeah. That really grinds me how it first was take forever to download the software, and then when you download the software, when you open the file and when you begin importing something, it takes forever to import. I don't know. Really, Avid? Really? This is why I use Premiere Pro. I'm just saying. So yeah. That is pretty much it. Make sure you follow me all over it at Sammy's Live, and let me know if you're gonna get this. If you are gonna get Avid Media Composer First, and are you gonna edit with Avid? Just wondering. Do you edit with Avid? Do you prefer Premiere? I know I prefer Adobe Premiere Pro instead of this. I'm just saying. Avid people, don't hound me. I prefer Adobe Premiere Pro than this. Alright? So make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Sammy's Live.